Hello everyone, Namaskar. Welcome to PP353. My name is Ankit Kumar and I am BSc Agri third year student, and this is assignment and I am submitting it to Dr. Bireshwar Sinha under PP353 assignment. So I'm going to discuss wood beta disease in this video. So the disease wood beta disease, it is a fungal disease. It is a fungal disease of rice. It is a fungal disease of rice, and its causal agent is Epihelis oryzae. You are clearly seen in this picture. It is the causal organism of this disease. And then symptoms. So in symptoms, you are saying like inflorescence part of the rice. This is earhead, and the part that is inflorescence part in the rice is known as panicle or earhead. The disease is seen at the time of emergence of panicle. So there is a formation of white mycelium mat. So what is mycelium? Mycelium is a vegetative part of fungus. Their function is to decompose the material. So here you see the mycelium mat that ties the panicles. Panicles means that inflorescence part. And if these ties the inflorescence part, It seems like single. It seems like single, straight, dirty colored, like cylindrical rod. Cylindrical rod. So the disease name, that is wood beta. How if this name is comes? It is resembling like agarbatti or wood beta. So hence the name wood beta. So mycelium that is seen here, white mycelium and conidia. There are sometimes they form like strips, narrow strips on the flag leaf. So flag leaves is the photosynthetic part of the rice that helps in capturing the sunlight or formation of grains. If you are clearly seen here, it's the part of earhead that is panicle. In earhead, there is a formation of grains. So no grain formation take place because the affected, this part is distorted, this part is affected. And because this part is distorted earhead, and I'm clearly in the first starting of video I'm seeing this disease, this infection of seed is the infection of seed is initiated after the emergence of panicle. Okay, so I hope you understand the wood beta disease, why their name is wood beta. So now the comes disease cycle. It is a seed borne externally. It means it is spread, it is the fungus is on seed borne and is systemic. Systemic means it can be infectious throughout the plant, not a particular part. It is infectious throughout the plant from the xylem to phloem. And the white film of fungal like mycelium first seen on young leaves. What it indicate? It indicate that the entry of pathogen is during germination of seeds. When seed germinate, these fungus, this pathogen enters, and there is no formation of grains. So because why how grains are formed? Because ear head is distorted, because that panicle part is distorted. So it's not like it's transfer seed bone externally, but is not due to perpetuation by like seeds that are comes under ear head. So sometimes is it perpetuated by the grasses, like their name is Ische elegans, Cynodon dactylon, Pennisetum species. These are the all collateral host. What is collateral host? This collateral host means the plant which are belong to the same family, who have same habitat. These are the collateral hosts. It is severe in early or late sown crops. So the first when we are going to like their management, so proper timing of sowing is best. Factors favoring disease development. Whenever a disease comes, there is something favorable conditions for their spread. So here the presence of bacteria on the leaves and in water or surviving debris. So warm temperature and high humidity are the factors favoring this disease development, and is seen at the early stages. It means at the time of panic initiation. So we can easily see that how this disease are spread. Then it comes management. Early I taught about like it is seed-borne disease or systemic in nature. So disease free, like the seeds that is disease free should be showing. Okay, so seed treatment like captain or theorem and you are clearly seen in this picture how this man is treated the seeds with captain fungicide or theorem. Then later on the hot water treatment of the seed at like 50 to 54 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes before sowing give effective control of disease. So one of the control measure or management symptoms like 50 to 54 degrees Celsius hot water treatments, and another is solar treatment or solarization. Is in this picture you are clearly seeing the seeds are solarized like they are spread on the mat in the sunlight because it's effective in killing. It is effective in killing the pathogens that carried on seeds because it's seed borne. If you are not controlling at the seed stage, it is spread throughout the plant because it is systemic disease, and systemic disease is like perpetuated or transfer from their xylem phloem part, and it's hard to control at later part. It also advisable to avoid using seeds from field where disease is noted, because if you are taking disease from a field where it is already existed, there is chances it again comes to your field. So removal and destruction of disease panicles in the field is foremost condition for their management. So these are the management strategies and how these diseases are spread. I again summarize this disease. It is fungal disease like causal organism. It is Epihelis oryzae, and like their symptoms, it is formation of mycelial mat, white mycelium mat that binds that ties the it. Okay, I hope. Thank you.